Hey guys, Montana, artist and behavioral health technician with Crockd here. Crockd is a creative mindfulness brand on a mission to get people out of their heads and into their hands. Today, I'll be showing you how to make a strawberry jar like this.
We'll get started by tearing off half of our clay brick. Warm the clay up by smacking it against the palm of our hand and then rolling it into a ball. Now grab the other half of your clay brick, then repeat the same steps of warming up the clay and rolling it into a ball. Then we'll start making a pinch pot. So identify the middle of your ball. Insert your thumb into the middle of your ball as far as you can without piercing through to the other side. Use your 4 fingers to pinch the walls of your piece of clay, and you'll use your thumb to pull up on the clay from the inside. For this pinch pot only, we want the top half to be 1/4 of an inch or 3/4 of a centimeter thick, while the bottom half is at least double that in thickness. Work on smoothing out and shaping your pinch pot and then trimming away some of the bottom from the outside so that you can get more of that strawberry shape. Now we'll move on to making a second pinch pot with our other ball of clay. This will be the lid for our jar. You'll probably want this pinch pot to be a little bit smaller in size, but the width of the rim will need to match up with your first pinch pot. Feel free to trim a bit of your rim for a smoother and more even finish. And if you're enjoying this video so far, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our next one. If you'd like to add a little lip to the inside of your lid, do so by rolling out a coil and turning it into a ring that will fit snugly inside the lid of your jar, but come up just a bit higher than your rim. We'll attach the lid by scoring the areas of clay that are coming into contact with each other. Grab your needle tool and draw little X's or hashtags along these areas of the clay. Then dab the scored areas with water, attach, and blend. Feel free to carve or shape your 2 pieces while they rest on top of each other for a more cohesive look. To add leaves and a stem to the top of your lid, take all the clay you've carved away from your piece, roll it into a ball, then flatten it out and carve away whatever shape you'd like for your leaves. Then store, slip, and attach. Roll a little piece of clay out into a coil for your stem and attach. Once you've completed any final smoothing on your piece, carve out some little strawberry seeds with the triangular side of your trimming tool. Then just add your initials or signature to the bottom of your piece and leave it to dry.
Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on our next video, and let us know what you want to see next.